similar to the thing you got to do on the TV when it just spins forever, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Same thing going on with the audio device here. Okay.
So you might be getting audio pretty soon?
I'm hoping so. Show audio settings. We're good. We're good. Let's go to the audio 6. Okay, it should load up. Just give me a little bar up here. See that? And it's going to load all these instruments into the audio driver. It takes a little while to do that. It's basically loading the shit into RAM, into the 32 gigs of RAM I got on board.
Yeah, no, just shake it
See that
around.
ride symbol? It's like an 8-nose ride. See that? And then when it gets to here, something's going to happen. You see how something's going to happen when it gets right here?
No, I'm too far away.
Stuff is changing. So what you got is you got 16 bars at 128 BPM. Right here. Now it's getting more, it's building up a little bit of energy, you know? You're like, what in the fuck is going to happen here? Starting to wiggle around. Like, whoa, 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 whoa. You're like, oh God, I'm taking way too many drugs, you know? And then right here, it's going to kick right back in right here. It's getting exciting. Oh God! The part's not done yet. That was that serum passion. It was all fucked up. So you can have a little bit of a... Alright, that part's not done yet. But these two first parts are kind of done. But you hear that little bell ride? That bell ride that comes in right here? You hear that little 8 note?
Uh-huh.
You know, it's locking it down. And you have the kick drum just kind of all over the wobbling around on the bottom there. You know? That's that track there. That's one of like 9.
Yeah, turn it up a little bit.
It's fucking tight, dude. See, these bass notes are like falling apart down here. So watch when it crosses. So you got this lower note. So you hit the 5th right here.